Hello friends, welcome to Learn It by Fun tutorial number 11. So friends, our today's point of discussion is how we are going to retrieve a text file from the database. So friends, in the last tutorial we already discussed about storing of a text file into the database. So our today's point of discussion is how we are going to retrieve a text file from the database. So friends, these three steps which I'm going to tell you now is very important regarding retrieving a text file from the database. So friends, the very first step is we will retrieve the file from the result set using getClob method. So friends, as we know, to retrieve a text file or to retrieve anything from the database, we need the result set reference, because friend, we are storing the result into a result set reference. So friends, what we are doing from the result set, we will try to retrieve the file using this getClob method. So friends, in getClob method, we will pass the column index. So friends, I want to show you the database in which we worked yesterday. So friends, here is our database. So friends, as in the column number 1, we have assigned our file, or we have stored our file in column number 1. So friends, in my program here, I am specifying that I have to retrieve my file from column number 1. Now friends, as it is one text file, so it must be stored in a Clob object. So friends, as the data type used for defining a text file is Clob, so friends, we will store the getClob, or we will store the file into a Clob reference, that is C. So friends, now we will move to second step. After loading of a file into a Clob object C, we will use this Clob object to call the getCharacterStream method. So friends, what this method will do, this method will allow us to read the data, because friend, it will let us to read the data from friend, because we have loaded the file. Now we need to read the characters of the file. So with the help of this getCharacterStream method, we will read the characters into the text file, and we will store it into R, that is a reader object. So friends, after storing it into a reader object R, what we will do, we will try to store a file into a new file. So friends, now we have read the file, and our final step is storing the file into a new file. So friends, what we will do, we will call the FileWriter object method. Now friends, what we are doing today, so friends, what we are trying to do here, we are trying to create one FileWriter reference. So friends, with the help of this FileWriter reference, we will be writing files into our destination. So friends, here is our destination. We need to specify the file name with the path. As for example, friend, if my file is available in F drive, so I will be writing like this F, and I want to store it in my file new.txt. So I need to work according to this. So friends, after calling this FileWriter object, we will check if ch, we will take one variable ch, and in this we will store the we will read the each and every characters, because friend, here we have stored the characters, and in the reader object R we have stored the characters. So we will be using this reader reference R, and we will be reading each and every characters present in the getCharacterStream method we have used and present in the R. So we have to read each and every character, and we will read up to the end of file. So friends, not equal to -1 signifies end of file. So friends, up to end of file we will be reading each and every characters, and finally we will write it into our file with the help of this write of method, and we will be calling this method using the FileWriter object, that is fw. So friends, as it will return it, so we need the reference, or we need the result in the form of characters. So friends, we need to specify the characters, and we need to typecast it. Now friends, we will take a program, and we will see is the text file retrieving or not. So friends, now here what we did, we have imported the SQL package, Now we have also import one IO package. Next, under class JDBC, under main class, main method, I am just creating three references initially, that is connection reference, prepared statement reference, result set reference, and I am keeping all this as null. Now friend, what I am doing, I am registering my driver with the help of Class.forName. Next friend, I am just creating one connection. If connection is not equals to null, means the connection established. Now friends, I am calling the prepare statement method of the prepared statement interface with the help of this connection reference, that is con, and I am calling query as select star from my file, because friend, my table name is my file, so I would like to call, or I would like to select all from the my file table. Now friends, I am checking if is prepare statement object created. Okay, prepare statement object created. Now I am calling the execute query method with the help of this prepare statement object, and I am finally loading it into the rs, that is result set. Now friends, as initially the result set is pointing to bfr, that is before first row. So friends, what I am doing here, I am trying to let this cursor to the first row. Okay friends, because it is initially referring to bfr, now we need to go to the second row, that is the first row of our original table. So friends, that is after calling this rs.next, we will be moving to the first record or the first row inside our table, that is my file. Now friend, what we will do, we will call this getClob method at column number 1, and now we will store this result in Clob object, that is C. So friends, what I am doing in this line, I am just checking for the file size, and I, with the help of this, as we have loaded the file, so with the help of this length method and with the help of this Clob object, that is C, we will be calling the length method and it will display the file size. Now friends, what we are doing, we are calling the getCharacterStream method with the help of this Clob object, and we are storing it into one reader object, that is R. So friends, we have read the characters in present into a file. Now what we do, now I have taken one integer character. Okay friends, for character I have taken just ch, one variable I have taken to compare. Now friends, what I am doing, I am just creating one FileWriter object, and in this FileWriter object I am just passing the specified path or the file name where we want to store our, where we want to retrieve the text file. Now friend, what I am checking, I am checking for if until end of file is ch equals to r dot read, until end of file it will read the characters, and finally it will store in it in fw.write, we will write the object. Finally we will close the FileWriter object. Now friends, here is our program. Finally we have closed the prepare statement object, and finally we have closed the connection. So let us see in our program. So guys, friends, let us compile this. Retrieve text.java is successfully compiled. Java space JDBC. So friends, here is our connection established, prepare statement object created, and file size is equals to 34. So friends, let me show you here. Hello, welcome to Learn It by Fun. So friends, it is stored in our database. Now we have given our file name here. Friends, we have given our destination, that is in F drive with the name text.txt. The data I have shown here must be retrieved there. So friends, let us see. We have F drive. So friends, under F drive we will writing text.txt. okay friends, it is present here, and we have seen the output, hello, welcome to Learn It by Fun. So friends, this is all about how we are going to retrieve the data from the database. In the next tutorial I will be discussing more programs based on JDBC. So friends, for the time being, stay tuned to Learn It by Fun, like, subscribe, and do share my channel. If you have any query, if you have any new idea to improve the channel, please do comment in the comment section. I am providing you the Java course in the description panel. So for the time being, stay tuned to Learn It by Fun. Bye bye.